Hello kids, good morning. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to the maths class. So, are you fresh students? Okay. So, yesterday I taught you subtraction without regrouping, right? And today your topic is subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. So with regrouping we have learned in addition. Now we will do for subtraction. This one actually you have to learn for how we are borrowing for that and how we are subtracting from smaller to greater, like that, to understand that. Okay, but in exam and all actual practice you do the short method only. Okay, so let us today's topic is subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Now this is activity method, and question is subtract 3158 from 4357. So already you are aware of this, you know all of this, that Q stands for 1000, sheet stands for 100, strip stands for 10, and slip stands for ones. So we have to do this. 4000 means 4 cubes. Three sheets, and 5 strips, and 7 slips. Minus 3 cubes, one sheet, 5 strips, and 8 slips. Now see children, always we will start from the ones only. Follow the place value chart. We will start from ones only, and so that is extreme right. So here how many slips are there? Here 7 slips are here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from 7 slips we cannot, if we cut, we cannot take 8 slips, right? So what to do now? From here 1 strips you have to borrow from here 1 strip, and 1 strip stands for 10 ones. Okay, 1 strip stands for 10 ones. So if you take 1 strips, cut it, and here 10 slips will come. Now 10 plus 7, this is 10 and previously 7. So 10 plus 7, 17 slips. Now from 17 slips you take 8 slips. So cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 slips left over. Okay, so 9 slips left over. Now here how many strips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again from 4 strips you cannot take 5 strips. So from 100 you have to cut, and 100 stands for 10 strips. 10 strips. So 10 plus 1, 2, 10 strips plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 14. 14 and you cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 10 you have to draw. So 10 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, from 14, 5 gone. How much left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 strips. And now here how many seats are here? Here 1, 2, 2 seats, and here 1. So you cut 1 seats, so 1 left over. And here how many cubes are here? 4. Here 3. So you can cut 1 left over. So answer is 1000. This is 1 cube stands for 1000. 1199. Okay. Now here you see the short method. 4, 3, 5, 7, 3, 1, 5, 8. So this you have to take as a 17. This will come as a 14. 17 minus 8 is 9. 14 minus 5 is 9. This will come 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is 1199. 1199. This is clear, no students? This you have to take as a 17, because from 7 you cannot take 8. Here this is your, now it will become 14 because you have borrowed. I showed you here. So 14 minus 5 is 9. Then it will again borrowed. It will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 4 minus. You do in this way only. Don't cut all these things. Okay. So one more. I will give you homework. Same only, and you do that. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.